Rowing machines are a fantastic option for a low-impact, full-body workout, engaging key muscle groups such as the legs, glutes, core, shoulders, back, and arms. They provide excellent cardiovascular benefits while improving strength and endurance. Rowers are increasingly popular for home gyms due to their versatility and ability to offer effective workouts without needing outdoor access. In this guide, we have curated the best rowing machines on the market. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 9. Speediance Home Gym. The Speediance Home Gym is a versatile, all-in-one smart home gym that combines strength training and cardio in a compact design. It converts into both a rower and a ski-erg, offering a range of workout options. With up to 220 pounds of resistance, it supports a variety of exercises, including bench presses, squats, overhead extensions, and leg lifts, thanks to its cable system and multiple anchor points. The machine also features a large HD touchscreen and includes a free lifetime membership, though a monthly fee may apply in the future. Despite its higher price, Speediance delivers impressive functionality, making it a strong choice for both beginners and experienced users looking for a complete home gym solution. Number 8. LIT Method LIT Pro Pack. This all-in-one machine is designed for low-impact cardio and strength training, offering versatility with over 500 exercise options. The water-based rowing system delivers smooth resistance, while the additional strength bands offer targeted toning. Compact in design, it stands upright to save space, making it a good fit for small spaces or home gyms. What it lacks in built-in screens, it makes up for with access to guided workouts via the app. A durable frame supports up to 400 pounds, offering stability for users of different fitness levels. However, it does not include tech features like onboard displays or live classes. Number 7. Aviron Strong Go Rower. The Aviron Strong Go Rower stands out with its unique combination of air and magnetic resistance, providing users with a smooth yet challenging rowing experience. Designed to mimic the feel of rowing on water, this rower offers 16 resistance levels that can accommodate users of varying fitness levels, including those up to 6 feet 8 inches. The rotating handlebar and adjustable tablet holder make it easy to access Aviron's app, where you can engage in over 1,000 workouts, including rowing-specific video games, guided classes, and scenic rows. While it requires a membership to unlock all the interactive features, the rower can still be used for standard rowing without it. The machine's compact design ensures it fits in most spaces, and despite its robust build, it operates quietly. For those looking for a fun and varied rowing experience, the Aviron Strong Go Rower is an excellent choice. Number 6. Hydrow Wave Rower. The Hydrow Wave Rower offers a compact solution for those wanting the immersive hydro experience in a smaller space. This model is 30% smaller than the original Hydrow, making it perfect for apartments or tight home gym setups. Its 16-inch HD touchscreen connects you to over 5,000 on-demand classes led by world-class instructors, offering an engaging and interactive rowing experience. The electromagnetic resistance ensures smooth and quiet operation, ideal for users who need to keep noise levels down. The rower also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, providing seamless access to content. Number 5. Peloton Row. The Peloton Row takes rowing to the next level with advanced technology that offers real-time feedback on your form. Featuring a 24-inch HD touchscreen, this machine is designed to keep you motivated with access to live and on-demand classes, including strength and floor workouts. While it comes with a higher price tag, its sophisticated design and smooth performance make it worth the investment for serious rowers. The seat and handles are ergonomically designed for comfort, and the rower itself is impressively quiet, allowing you to work out at any time without disturbing others. With its large, interactive display and ability to store vertically, the Peloton Row fits seamlessly into modern home gyms. Number 4. WaterRower Ash Rowing Machine. The WaterRower Ash Rowing Machine brings the authentic feel of water rowing into the comfort of your home. Designed with a water-resistant system, the harder you row, the more resistance you experience, closely mimicking the sensation of rowing on open water. Its sleek wooden frame is both durable and aesthetically pleasing, fitting seamlessly into many home gym environments. With a weight capacity of 700 pounds, this machine is exceptionally sturdy and accommodates users of all sizes. While the included LCD monitor is basic, providing key metrics like stroke rate and time, the focus remains on delivering a smooth, quiet rowing experience. When not in use, the rower can be stored upright to save space. Number 3. Hydrow Pro Rower. The Hydrow Pro Rower is designed for those seeking a premium, immersive rowing experience. Featuring a sleek, durable build, this electromagnetic rowing machine operates with minimal noise, making it a great addition to any home gym. It comes with a built-in 22-inch HD touchscreen that offers access to over 5,000 instructor-led workouts, including scenic rows in stunning locations like London and Miami. For those who enjoy interactive training, a membership option provides access to this vast library of classes, ensuring both variety and motivation. The machine itself is highly ergonomic, with smooth seat movement and comfortable handles. Although its size may require ample space, it can be stored upright when not in use. Number 2. Merach Q1S Rowing Machine. The Merach Q1S rowing machine is a fantastic option for those looking for affordability without compromising on essential features. This magnetic rowing machine offers 16 resistance levels, making it perfect for beginners and intermediate users. Its compact design allows for upright storage, and it's impressively quiet during use, a feature that makes it ideal for those with neighbors or early morning workout routines. The rower comes with Bluetooth functionality, and although the LCD display is basic, there's a dedicated spot to hold your smartphone or tablet to stream workout content. One of its most notable features is the integration with the Merach app, which adjusts tension during classes, enhancing your training experience. Number 1. Concept2 RowErg. The Concept2 RowErg is highly popular among both elite athletes and beginners, thanks to its durability and user-friendly design. Known for its air-resistant system, the harder you row, the more resistance it generates, making it ideal for customizable workout intensity. This rower is found in many fitness centers and home gyms due to its solid build and high weight capacity of 500 pounds. It comes with a small but functional LCD screen that tracks pace, stroke rate, watts, and calories, and it connects via Bluetooth to various fitness apps. The footrests are adjustable, and the handle is comfortable, even during extended workouts. While it produces noise typical of air rowers, its ease of storage, separating into 2 pieces, adds to its practicality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.